I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm inviting you to explore the beautiful beaches of Itacaré, Brazil with me. Itacaré is a small paradise on the Bahian coast, full of wild beaches, vibrant culture, and warm people. I have traveled all around the world, but no place has brought me so much joy as this one. If you like adventure, incredible nature, and wonderful people, then you should definitely watch this video. If you like what you see, don't forget to click like and write a comment down below. Let's see what adventures await us on the beaches of Itacaré. We begin our journey at Costa Beach, one of the most picturesque spots in the city. Here you can sunbathe, watch the waves, or just take in the view. Next, we take time for some surfing lessons under the careful guidance of our instructors. Then we'll explore Barra Grande Beach, where you can catch a glimpse of the most impressive natural scenery. From Barra Grande, we'll take a trip to the town center, where we can truly experience the amazing vibes that this city has to offer. We'll explore its unique architecture, amazing street art, and visit local markets to buy souvenirs. And finally, we'll end our trip on a high note by visiting Espilho Beach, a secluded paradise with crystalline waters and paths surrounded by unspoiled nature. It's been an amazing journey. I hope you've enjoyed discovering these beautiful beaches as much as I have. I hope it gave you a chance to appreciate the beauty of Itacaré and experience a new culture. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell on to get notified about the new videos coming regularly. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.